Shutdowns are often very difficult to plan and to handle, and even though the vast majority of work can be planned, there will always be an unknown element of work that will arise. It doesn't matter how well a plant is running or how high its efficiency is. A period of shutdown maintenance will always be required. Are your production levels not meeting required standards? Do you need to restore production to acceptable levels? Is your plant not running as efficiently as it should? Do you have a legal requirement to inspect or complete specific maintenance which cannot be dealt with through normal maintenance processes? All of the previous questions and more are valid reasons for initiating a shutdown project. Welcome to this course, Project Shutdown, where we will be exploring the process required to plan for and achieve a successful shutdown operation.